If you like my videos, then hit the like button and share it with all your friends and subscribe to my channel. Definitely do that. Subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to do that. First of all, subscribe to my channel, then watch the videos. Alright?
What is up YouTube? Welcome back again. It's your buddy Technoboy, and in this video I'm gonna unbox another speaker box. Here you can see it's quite big in size. It's not the normal 2.1 or boombox kind of thing. It is kind of boombox, but it's a tower speaker, and see quite tall in size, and it's from VEmax, and that's the main box. And bought this from Amazon, and Amazon sent me just like this, and see, own box. The experience with this thing is not so good. You can see that's the top side, and so I hope the product inside is good. So let's take it out and check the product out. So you get a packet with a remote control and RCA cable. This is the box itself. A slimline from the top and from the side. It's quite big. That's the main. That's the subwoofer. It's a 5.25 inch slimline from the front, so we can place it anywhere. So let's remove this plastic. So here you can see that's the front side, and at the top you get the display, then few buttons, and then the USB, and also the port for the mic, and treble, bass, and volume controller. And then after that, one channel speaker, and then another channel left and right, of course. And that's the ear passing port for the subwoofer, which is at the side, right side. So here at the back you can see this part is fixed, and this part is removable, and that's the input, RC input, and that's the on-off switch, as the AC cord and the FM antenna wire, and all the circuitry. And here I can see two big screws are there, so that must be for the transformer. So everything is in here. You can remove this part and check that out. So that's it. And at the bottom you can see foam pads are there, anti-slipping pads. So that's it. And this thing has Bluetooth. So now it's time to connect this thing and check this out. So it's turned on now, and here you can see the blue ring light on the volume control, and the display you can see the BE for the Bluetooth. So now I'm going to connect it to my mobile phone and check the sound. So that's the sound of the channel speakers only. The subwoofer is not working. So now let's turn that on. So this is what you say, as I was not expecting like this from this kind of speaker. Nowadays manufacturers are using just the bass treble kit at the input, and that's just control the overall bass and treble, but not exactly the subwoofer separately like used to do. But in this case, the bass means the subwoofer, and you can completely reduce the bass using this knob and increase the bass using that. So that's a nice thing. Now let's play this song and check the bass. the bass is also very good, as that's a 5.25-inch subwoofer. And here I'm feeling the vibration sitting on the sofa, so that's a good thing. So let's check another song. So that's the sound. Overall it's good. The bass is very good, but for the channel speakers, they are clear but not that crisp sound. Well, you cannot expect that much from a cheap speakers. This thing cost me 2,400 only on Amazon. If you want a hi-fi tower speaker, you can go beyond 10,000, 20,000. There is no limit for that. But for the money I spent, this is a very good speaker, and you can keep it anywhere, and this is good for small house party and kind of thing. So this thing has a mic port, so I'm gonna check how it works. Alright, so now you can see the mic is on, and as this mic is near to the speaker, so there is a noise coming. So here you have to select the eco mode is selected. I don't know. Hello. So you have to select the eco mode here, and then reduce the eco effect, and then you can use it. So I'm gonna say something on the mic and check the sound. Hello.
What is up, YouTube? Welcome back again. It's your buddy Technoboy, and if you like my videos, then hit the like button and share it with all your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Definitely do that. Subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to do that. First of all, subscribe to my channel, then watch the videos. Alright?
So that's the sound of it. It's a very nice and compact speaker. So if you want to buy, then I'll give the link in the description below, so you can go there and check it out. So that's all for today. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.
Hello. And share all my videos with all your friends, relatives, and everyone whom you know. Right? See ya.